Hello children, we'll start the exercise 12C today. That is a part of your identities, the chapter. The previous chapter was 12B that we have already completed. Okay, and you can see the solutions of those questions in my videos. Okay, so let's start the exercise 12C now. Now, if you can see here that if a plus b equal to 5 and ab is 6, then find a square plus b square. Okay, that in this identities matlab kya hota hai, we have to go through from the formulas. It is given here that a plus b whole square, it is a whole square because of this bracket. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now we have to go from these identities to solve this question. Now we have here a plus b equal to 5, so we have to take it this a plus b equal to 5. Okay, so as we have squaring both side, a plus b equal to 5, then we have square both side. Okay, square both side, then we got a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we took this one to convert this into this format. Okay, so we have to find it a square plus b square. So as you can see here in the formula, a square plus b square is already there, identities. Okay, so to take out this one, we have to take it this a plus b equal to 5. Putting a square both side, we got a square plus 2ab plus b square. 5 5 is 25, and after that a square and b square kept together. 2ab, as you see here, ab's value is given here 6, then 2 6 is 12, the 25 plus go that side will change, then the sign will change, plus will convert into minus. अगर side change करता है तो आपका sign भी change हो जाएगा. तो 25 minus 12 will convert into a 13. So altogether we got a value of a square plus b square, that is 13. Right, this is the solution of the first question of this exercise. As I had said you earlier, okay, before starting a classes, that I'll choose only the questions which is related with the other questions, so it will help you to solve out the other questions as well, and the rest of the questions from the exercise. Okay, the next questions will move on from this exercise is if a square plus b square equal to 10 and ab equal to 3, then find a minus b and a plus b. Okay, we have to find the value of a minus b and a plus b. So as you see here, we are doing the identities exercise, so we have to follow the formulas. Okay, so basically we have to find the formulas. First we have to take the formulas as we have here from the exercise. A minus b whole square equal to, so as we have here a minus b, so we'll take it this one. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so before to start this exercise, this is strictly advised that you should know the formulas which is given in the starting of your this exercise. Okay, a square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Okay, so these are the formulas which is have to be learned very strictly. Okay, before if you don't learn these formulas, you cannot do the questions and the solutions in the examination. So this is the most important part of this chapter. So we'll move on the explanations now. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so we have to keep it together as we have here in the question that a square plus b square, the value is 10. So we have to keep it a square plus b square together, so we can take it a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so minus is separated now. Now the value of a square plus b square, put it here 10, and minus 2ab. ab's value is 3, that is 2 3 is 6, and 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so 4 is already here. A minus b whole square. Now the changing part is, we can see that a minus b whole square equal to root 4. Okay, so the both side it is kept a root. Why? Because to remove the square part. So as we have here 4, so you can see the root 4 is equal to root 2 into 2. So the pairing of the same number will convert into single format in the process of root. Okay, in the root format you can take out pairing number, the same digit in a single form. Okay, so we can take it here a minus b is the same, so pair the same number will come out So the pair will come out in a single form, a minus b, and as it is 2 into 2 is 4, so that the pair of 2 will convert into a 2, okay, the plus minus 2. The first part of this number 1 is complete. Now we'll move on to number 2 of this same question. As we have a minus b whole square, so we come to solve a plus b whole square now. A plus b whole square identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we keep the a square and b square together now again, as we did in the first number. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so again we keep the formulas which is already given in the question, values which is given in the question, that is a square plus b square, that is 10. Okay, and a b value is given as in 3, that means 2 3 is 6, 10 plus 6 is 16. So the similar value again we can take out as in 4, 4 for the 16 is there, so the 4 we take out here as in common factor, and a plus b take out as in common factor of this format. Okay, so altogether we have a answer of a minus b is plus minus 2 and a plus b equal to plus minus 4. This question is more similar than the previous questions. The previous questions we did in a plus b whole square. Now we have a 3 format. A plus b plus c is there. Only the previous questions we have a plus b. Okay, so if a plus b plus c equal to 10 and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 38, find ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so as we have here a plus b plus c equal to 10, so we'll take it that one. Okay, to find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. So by squaring, squaring both sides, we got a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. This is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. This also is important for your further solutions to find the next question. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so this is the formula of this identity, a plus b plus c whole square. So we can find it, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c equal to 100. ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, a square plus b square plus c, the value is given as in 38, so just put the value of 38 and plus 2, take out a common, 2 common is here, so rest of the numbers keep inside a bracket, so which is not in common. So 38 is a plus sign. Move on to the next side of the equation. So we got here change of sign, minus 38. So 100 minus 38 will convert and give us to 62. Now dividing by 2, we got 62 divided by 2, that is a 38. So the value we got here of AB plus BC plus CA is 32. Okay, now the last questions I'm doing from this exercise, that will be similar with the other equations as well. So this question will help you out to solve the other questions of this exercise as well. So we have here 2x minus 1 by 2x equal to 4. As we take it this one to solve this first part of the equation, the first term, also we can write it. So 2x minus 1 by 2x equal to 4. So squaring both sides, we can write squaring both sides. So we have 2x minus 1 by 2x whole square equal to 4 square. And take it, what will come? A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 4 is 16. So we come here for 4 to the 4x square. This will cut 2 plus 1 by 4x square equal to 16. So 4x square plus 1 by 4x square, plus will go that side, we'll change the sign, and 16 plus 2, the answer will be 4x square plus 1 by 4x square equal to 16 plus 2 is 18. Okay, so this is the how you will do the solution of this question. Now the similarly we'll do the next question, second term. Okay, that is cubed. So again I say to you that please go through with the identities, or also we can say the formulas. So that is most important to solve the equations and the questions from this chapter. Okay, so as you can see there is a cube, so we can put here cube, the second term. So यहाँ पे जो दिया हो उसी को आपको लगाना है, क्यूब लगाना है. अगर आप स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं तो फाइंड स्क्वायर है तो आपको स्क्वायर लगाना है यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो 2x माइनस 2 a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब, a माइनस b होल क्यूब. द फॉर्मूला इज a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब माइनस 3a b into a minus b equal to 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. Okay, so can write here 2 to the 4 to the 8x cubed, 1 by 8x cubed minus this will cut 3, 2x minus 4, 4 is there, 64, 8x cubed minus 8x cubed minus 12 is there, so we'll convert into the plus 12. will come here 8x cubed minus 1 by 8x cubed equal to 76. Okay, so both the answer came. So now rest of the questions you do the solutions. If you have any queries, and please ask it. And one more new notification is there. These videos will remain only for 2 to 3 days. After that, okay, 2 days. Okay, so after in 2 days you have to complete all the question answers and the work from this exercise and submit it. Okay, and 15 days, after 15 days this video will be free in YouTube, so anyone can surf it and check out these videos. Otherwise only those persons can see this video to whom I will distribute it or give it. Okay, so that you have to be very cautious of this class. Thank you. And one more thing, subscribe and make the ring the bell, so whatever the notification is there, you can find the notifications of this exercise, whatever I'll make the videos in further days. Okay, thank you.